Do you know what?
What?
I was walking fucking yesterday out the road, right? I was a little bit hungover.
Nothing
I
new
was
there.
shouting.
Oh, yeah.
And somebody was going, yeah, cunt, let me go. And I thought, what the fuck?
Yeah,
And I come across all these people.
Oh, what a lovely day to be called a cunt. I don't care, as long as I'm back for countdown.
In a road with orange fucking fluorescent cunt fucking whatever
yes.
on.
Oh, yes.
And they were stuck to the road.
No, they like to glue themselves to the
I went, what the
road.
fuck? So I went up to one of them, and he was quite posh. And I went, oi, cunt, what are you doing? And he went, ew, we're trying to demonstrate, you know, to stop oil, give up oil and give up everything. I went, what? You like being fucking cold then?
Scar.
And he went, ew, fuck off. And I went, how dare you? Anyway, he was stuck to the ground, wasn't he? Because the cunt, he'd stuck himself to the fucking road.
Yeah, with glue.
So, I went in his pockets, and he couldn't do anything.
Oh, Scar.
In his wallet, he had fucking 25 quid.
Oh, Scar.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Scar, that's pretty wrong.
Right, Ginger, you want to go and drink? Come on, come on. Let's go.
Go on,
Fuck him.
you pay.
What was even more funnier was fucking
What?
Billy the fucking gay goat
I am what I am a special creation.
went up there
Oh, Billy.
apparently, and he said the same to
Freddie
him.
Mercury.
This posh cunt, ew, fuck off. And Billy the gay went, meh. Well, he thought, no cunt around. He stuck to the concrete fucking road. Well, he took advantage.
Oh,
So that
no.
poor fucking posh twat, he went out for a day to demonstrate. Not only did he get his money nicked, but he had his fucking asshole fucking ripped apart.
So bad, Scar.
Go on, Billy.
So bad.
Come on, Ginger. Come on, hey, you cunt. Winger.
I don't go.